Today on our 2019 Toyota Highlander, we're going to be taking a look at and show you how to install the Curt vehicle wiring harness with 4-pole flat trailer connector. This is going to give us our 4-pole connection in our converter box if our vehicle does not have the factory tow package. This is going to allow us to tow a trailer safely and give us all the proper light functions. Both turn signals, our running lights, and our brake lights. When you're ready to use it, simply lay it over top the rubber seal, close your hatch, hook up to your trailer, and you're ready to go. When not in use, you can roll it up and store it in an out-of-the-way compartment. What our converter box is going to do is going to protect our factory wiring in our vehicle from any backfeed if our trailer wiring has any issues. And it's going to come with a nice dust cap to help protect your connections from any dirt and debris. First thing we need to do, we need to remove all of our floor coverings on the inside rear of our vehicle. We're going to have a few tie downs here that have fasteners in them. We're going to need to remove those. Remove everything down here on the bottom. Take your trim panel tool. You're going to have some little push pin fasteners that run across the back of your carpet here. We're going to pull those off. Just like this. And we'll go ahead and pull these out so you don't lose them. And then we'll fold that up just like that. We're going to have a panel right over here on the side. We're just going to pop it up. It's easier if you have a trim panel tool. You just get it under one side there, like that. And then we'll set that aside. And we're going to have a 10mm head nut right here. Keep in mind this is on our driver's side. And then we're just going to pop out our center section. We'll go ahead and take it out and set it aside. We're going to take our wiring harness. We're just going to plug it right into it like that. Now we'll take our modular box. We're going to connect it into the other plug. Then we need to ground our ground wire. You can go anywhere on the metal. Just make sure it's metal, not plastic. Now I'll insert my fuse. What I'm going to do is this existing wiring here, I'm just going to zip tie everything right here. Keep it nice and secured. Once you have both installed, you can go ahead and reinstall your panels. Now we're going to come underneath our hood, driver's side. We'll remove our fuse panel lid. We're going to find the towing, which is going to be right here. That's going to be our center. Then be a third one up. Per our instructions, we're going to insert the 10 amp short fuse. Now we'll test out our wiring using part number I26. Left turn, right turn, brake lights, running lights. That'll do it for a look at and installation on the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with 4-pole flat trailer connector on our 2019 Toyota Highlander.